welcome back, guys. It's 10:02 p.m. Kids are sleeping. Gonna be working on the Evo. But before we start, I'm gonna show you guys a couple things I got for the garage. I went to the Stockton swap meet last weekend to find parts for the Model A, but I couldn't find anything. But I found this sign for a really good deal. It lights up too. Had to clear some space to put the sign up there, but I think that's a perfect spot for it. And this is what it looks like when the lights are on. And then I also got these two drawers for a great deal. I got this for $5 and this for $5, so 10 bucks for two of these. And under here is the best place to put them because I'm out of space. And because I'm very limited on time nowadays, I got some stuff done on Evo that I didn't record. So I'll just tell you guys right now. I lowered the bike about 2 inches, took out the cowbells and put these fork boots on. I'm not sure if I like these fork boots. So I also bought these fork cap covers that goes here. And then I also got the tank to sit flush to the frame. I didn't like how before it was sitting a lot higher. What I did was I chopped off the stock tabs that came with the tank and pretty much made my own and reused the mounting points. By doing this tank sits flush to the frame, but the gap in the middle is a lot bigger. So in order to fix that, I'm having my friend make me a custom leather tank bib that goes from here down to here. That's gonna cover the gap. And because the gap is so big, I can hide all the wires in here. I also raised the tank a little bit right here and then made my own custom mount down here. This is just a prototype. I'll make a better one. I also mounted the seat like that. So tonight I'm gonna be chopping the fender more so that it's not sitting below the frame rails. Cut it right here. And then I'm gonna weld more tabs for the old tank. That way it's more secured. And about 2 weeks ago, I posted on Instagram of 3 different exhaust designs. And to be honest, I'm not really in love with all 3 of them. So I got these upsweep pipes that I'm gonna modify a bit. Gonna be stacking these rings together and then weld it to the end of the pipes like this. The goal is to get all the fab work done by November. That way I can take everything apart, get it sandblasted, powder coated, and get the tins painted. The goal is to finish the bike by December, the latest. Yep, that's the goal. But yeah, let's get today's video started. All right, just welded the 2 rings together. Shouldn't go nowhere. All right, it's a new day. I just got back from putting the tire on this new wheel. It's black with chrome spokes. I was gonna run this wheel, the original one, but then I found there are two broken spokes on it. One right here and one right here. And there's a lot of rust on it, so I didn't want to use it. So got a new wheel. I'm gonna be getting matching front wheel as well. But yeah, gonna be putting the rotor and sprocket on the new wheel. Next, I'm gonna shorten the fender a little bit more. All right, here's the bike outside and off the lift. This is where things are at right now, and I'm really digging the progress so far. I'm still waiting for the front wheel to come back in stock. It's going to match the rear setup with a black rim and chrome spokes. Overall, the bike will have three main colors: black, chrome, and the color that I'm gonna be painting it. If you can guess what color, comment below. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm still debating whether to keep the fork boots or swap them out. Once I install the fork boot covers, I'll see which look I like better. I'm glad I went with these pipes. They flow way better with the overall design. The double stack rings tie everything together nicely. I'm also really liking how the tanks are sitting now. The lines look cleaner and they hug the frame a lot better. In the next video, I'll be tearing everything down, finishing up the welding, then getting it all ready for sandblast, powder coat, and paint. The frame, top tree, and bars will all be gloss black. The tank and fender will share the same color, and I'm leaving the old tank chrome to fit the overall color scheme. So far, my top three mods on this bike are Krispy's Big Twin Evo Hardtail, Custom Mini Apes by Airspeed Cycles, and WX tanks from Lowbrow Customs. The bike's really coming together, and I think whoever wins this in December is going to be stoked. For more details about this giveaway bike, head over to Lnspltblvd.store. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.